za pichipichezi zigabirwe Tank Collins chairman wa NRM Youth League wabiri na buganaho imyeto mu burengero w'izoba mu bigambo bye. Tank Collins asimre His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahabo kutekateka hamyeto burijo nukwe kwiga imyeto kwe kuzesamani mu kumurondera akaruru.
We are saying thank you to our president for re-energizing us. Look at what we have, new mobility for our active mobilizers in Chigezi, for our active mobilizers in Ankole. Guys, go back and hit the grassroots, go back and hit the ghettos, go back and hit the marketplaces, do door to door, carry 3 on voting day, go very early with 4 on your bike, drop them, run back, pick more to the polling station, drop them. We are going to win.
Emwe ahamyeto etungereza pichipichi eraganise kuresa kurunza pichipichezi kuronderamo abembezi w'ihango bushagiki kwenda kugira ngo abanya-Uganda bamonjere inchure ndijo eyo bwebemezi w'ihanga ahabiro 15 kwezi koko banza umwaka gwa 2026
webare munonga kitetu wako n'imyeto ya Western nibaja kandi tukuraganisa mwibajeri otwikirize turushashura 2015 omukashesheje munonga stakicero na shaitano omenyeto yona na ya 7 oye 7 ju
motorcycles ninga shipichi okugoma NRM Youth League zaretwa Mr. Tanga Collins chairman w'imyeto ya Youth League eyihangariro kandi nimpamyangu ezipiche zibatuhereza nzija kutuyamba kwiko myanya ejo itubita kwasa kwikamu nebigere bitu ebene tugumira kwikamu kurunda karuru kamuzei kandi twafunde entambure nimbahamiza mu 7 tujja kumurondera karuru asinjena na % yayiguru munonga eshibire kitakabahoga mebaremo
nyechakare twaza kuchero field turonda karuru kamuzei ngana munonga chakaruru ahabo kubemyeto yita twirene kumombera izinjira muzei umwe burentambura umwe burasenta zo kwambura kwa transporting amugezi kitasi batuhandi so montomwe urumunyeto mu district utwasira honga government ya Museveni naza kubana amasenti making sure mutwa delivering
amakuru agagasha kwa iya nakankwasa.